If you've already started looking for a CRM system, you may be finding it a little draining. There are hundreds of solutions on the market, and many of them have more or less the same functionality, but differ in design and user experience. So while finding a good CRM system can be a tedious process, it doesn't need to be. You just need to ask yourself this one simple question. Is this an action-focused CRM? If the answer is no, you move on to the next one. So let's find out what an action-focused CRM is and why you should care. In its earliest stages, a business doesn't have many complex processes or a long history of client interactions. That's why a simple spreadsheet is usually enough. It gets more complicated when your business starts to grow, and with it the amount of customers and processes in place. Your business becomes too big for a spreadsheet. Formulas start to break, information gets outdated. Before you know it, your Excel file is bursting at the seams. And this is where an action-focused CRM comes into play. One of its standout features is an action stream. It's a color-coded to-do list where your contacts are sorted by the actions assigned to them and according to their due date. And the main thing is that every contact in an action-focused CRM is treated as an asset. So everything you need is displayed on their individual contact pages. Now, when a business becomes bigger, it expands its operations, branches out to dozens of departments with hundreds of employees across multiple offices. And that's when an admin-focused CRM might be required. If an action-focused CRM is centered around relationships and proactivity, admin-focused ones are more process-oriented and built for complex structures. So next time you're looking for a CRM solution, pay attention to whether it's action or admin-based. Do you need to focus on building relationships and generating repeat business? Or do you need to streamline complex processes?